In this video, we will learn how to divide the number 735 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 7. We know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get 2. Now this 2 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 3 here. And we know that 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract, we get 3. Now this 3 is less than 5. So we will bring down this adjacent 5 here. And we know that 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 735 divided by 5 is equal to this 147. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.